MEM School of Engineering, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, online classes, Department Triple E, Semester 3, Subject Code and Title, W8351, Digital Logic Circuit, Unit number 5. Myself, Saravanan, Assistant Professor, Mechatronics. So this is the course objective and outcome of digital logic circuit. Syllabus. Okay, in this unit, chapter 1, we are going to discuss about unit number 5, biggest here. Okay. There's the textbooks and reference. It's the unit 5, BHDL. That is, in this unit, we are going to discuss about RTL design, combinational logic circuits, sequential circuit operators, introduction to packages, subprograms, text bench. Then simulation and tutorial examples of adder circuits, counter circuits, flip-flops, multiplexer and demultiplexers. Before we into define a program or design a program, we need to know what is digital system. A digital system is a system in which signals have a finite number of discrete values. This contrasts with analog system in which signals have value from an infinite set. So discrete system means input, then a discrete system, then output. Any finite number of discrete values can be represented by a vector of signals with just two values. Such a signal which takes only two values is called a digital signal or binary logic, and any device that processes digital signals is called digital device or system. Three different domains of description. So these are the domains we are going to discuss in this chapter. A behavioral or functional representation on that looks at the design as a black box. A behavioral representation describes the functionality but not the implementation of the given design. So defining the black box responds to any combination of input values. A structural representation is one that presents the black box as a set of components and their connections. It specifies the product's implementation without explicit reference to its functionality. A physical representation is one that specifies the physical characteristics of the black box. The design process consists of obtaining an implementation that satisfies the specification of the system. First one is analysis, that is verification. Then behavioral, that is specification. Next one, synthesis. So next one is structural, that is implementation. The synthesis consists of obtaining a structural description that satisfies the behavioral description, that is specification of the system. So this is the level of abstraction that is design. That is behavioral description define the abstract process, algorithm, so data flow and Boolean equations. structural description, programmable cores, IPs, ASICs, processor, memory, peripheral interface, register address, multipliers, then logic is logic nucleus or schematic. That is system, architectural, register transfer logic, that is RTL, then final logic. These are the concept in the behavioral description and the structural description. Time units are at different levels. So that is communication transition and a computation transition step, clock cycle and a delay. So same as abstract process, algorithm, data flow, and Boolean equation here. Programmable cores, processor, memory, peripheral interface, registers, adders, multipliers, and logical and schematic. Then transformation, discourse area, that is behavioral description, algorithm, data flow, and Boolean equations. In structural, they have a process memory peripheral, register address, multiplier, and logical net, and schematic. That is algorithm, register transfer, and the logic. These are the transformation from logic to algorithm. This is the example of behavior model concept. That is behavior is truth table. That is AB, it will have the some carry. So example is half adder. So half adder truth table is here. Then from the truth table, we are defining the sum value and carry value. Sum value will be A, XOR with B, carry value will be AB. In structure, we have half adder, sum and carry, then the process, that is XOR and AND. Half adder behavioral simulation description. So the entity, that is which one is we are going to define. That is name of the title like that we have. That is half adder is port. That is port is input or output what we need to define. That is A comma B is equal to in bit. That is it is a input bit. So sum and carry will be output bit. So we need to define the out dot bit. So encoder, sorry, end half adder. Next, we need to define the architecture of RTL of half adder is begin with sum is equal to A XOR B, carry A and B in RTL. So this is data flow behavior description. So brief history of VHDL. VHDL is an acronym for VHSIC, that is very high speed integrated circuit, that is hardware description language. VHDL is an industry standard hardware description language that is widely used for specifying, modeling, designing, and simulating digital systems. VHDL has its own regions in a research project funded in the early 1980s by the US Department of Defense, that is DOD. A modified version of the original VHDL became